Welcome to this explainer. We're looking at ToolGenX, a radical alternative to endless software subscriptions. Their core philosophy? Stop renting generic AI and actually own the toolkits you use to ship.
Ditch bloated marketplaces and monthly fees. ToolGenX is a direct, solo shop with one-time payments.
It's unapologetic, too. The founder flat out says this platform is simply not for half of you.
Meet Ismail. He's a solo dev in Istanbul, building these tools from 15 years of client work.
Because it's so hands-on, the catalog is super tight, exactly 19 production-tested products. That's it.
You get highly curated arsenals for indie devs, focusing on growth playbooks, SEO, and AI content workflows.
Pricing is super accessible, between $9 and $119. Best part? Zero recurring fees.
The buying process is totally frictionless. Browse, pay once, and boom, instant download. No account signups required.
They use global flexible gateways like Stripe and iZco, totally cutting out the marketplace middlemen.
So here's the kicker. Every single purchase scores you completely free lifetime version updates. Huge value, right?
But this independence didn't happen overnight. After just one measly sale on Gumroad, everything had to change.
Ismail executed a massive rebuild using Next.js and Supabase. He wanted to own the platform completely.
Check this out. A massive 72% drop in load times and way less JavaScript bloat.
That intense optimization literally paid off. We're talking an incredibly high new performance score of 96.
Jumping from 56 to 96 on Lighthouse absolutely proves he practices the high-quality engineering he preaches.
Plus, you get strict accountability, including a solid 14-day refund policy backed by EU consumer rights. So, are these the tools you need to ship? Or is this wrong for half of you?